So hi everyone, I am Kayyum and in this video we are going to see that how to create a table and insert data inside the table using JavaScript. So let me show you first. Here we can see on the screen that I have created index.html, script.js and style.js. Okay, so let me again clear it. So we are having three files. Okay, so first we will take the empty template for our project. Here we will give the page title as how to create table using JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. Here we will insert the css. Here insert. Now here we will take the JavaScript. Yes, done. Done. So now let me show you that the first step we will create a table. Create a table. Okay, we will create a table. So we will create a table tag. So we just have created a table tag. Okay, and this is empty right now. So let me now here in the css we will centered all the HTML elements. So for that body element, so for that we will use body tag. Then so now we will do centered all the body elements. So for that I am using display flex, then flex direction column, then align all the items in the centered. Okay, and then margin top as 200 pixel so that it can be in the middle of the way. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, let me show you that. Hello. Okay, let me refresh it the page. So you can see that we have centered our element. Okay, our element. So this table, we will let this table empty right now. Now let's move to the JavaScript. So now here we will create listeners. Okay, or let me tell you just simply create table using JavaScript. Okay, so now let's first of all select table tag. Okay, so here we will take a variable name table, then document, then query selector. Inside this query selector we will simply select the table. Okay, write this. Okay, so we have selected the table tag. Then after this we will create a row. So we will create first row. Okay, let me create a row 1, let row 1 variable, then document dot insert row. -1 because we want the row should be at the end. Okay, and then create cells inside it. So let create cells. Let create 3 cells. Okay, so cell number 1. Again, let me tell you that instead of document we will select table. Okay, and here this cell will be inserted into this 0th position cell, then cell number 2, insert cell 1 at the first position, then cell number 3. Okay, so in this way we have created row first and cell 3's. So now cells data. Okay, so we will create cell number 1 data first. Text contain India. Okay, first one India, then cell number 2 Pakistan. Okay, then cell number 3 China. Okay, so we have successfully created cells. Now attach cells to the row. Okay, so for that we will use row number 1, then append child cell number 1. Okay, then again row number 1, then append child cell number 2, then again append child cell number 3. So in this way we have appended we have attached all the cells to the row number 1. Okay, so finally attach row to the table. Okay, and table append child row number 1. So now you can see on the screen that we have created the first row by using the JavaScript. Let me give the headings for the table. Heading. Okay, so let th1. Okay, th1 document.create element th again. Okay, so th2 again th3. So now we created now view headings data. Okay, so th1 text content. Okay, and this th1 country, country th2, this one also country th3 country. Now attach th2 table. Okay, so table dot append th1. Okay, then table dot append th2. Okay, then table dot append th3. So in this way we have created tables. Okay, country number 1, country number 2, and then let me give here, and this one is country number 3. So in this way we can create table headings and all that. So so in the same way if we want to create row number 2, so for that again declare row number 2, then table dot insert row. Okay, again here -1, then okay done, then again cells. Okay, So let's cell number 11. Here row 2, then insert cell. So for example, I will explain you that why we are taking row 2 and then inserting a cell, because this cell 11 will be inserted into row number 2. That's why we are taking this one. So here we will give 0, then cell number 1 2. This is will be at the position of first, then cell number 1 3 1 3 and row number 2. Okay, done. Then here cells data. Okay, cell number 1 1 text content Nepal, then cell number 1 2 data Bhutan, then cell number 1 3 data 1 3 data Bhutan. Then so then cell 1 3's data is mm, Bangladesh. Okay, done. Then attach cells to row number 2. Okay, so row 2 append child. Okay, cell 1 1, done. Then row number 2 1 2, then row number 2 1 3. Okay, so in this way, and finally attach row number 2 to the table. So for that, append child row number 2, done. So in this way we can create our cells and do the row and columns using the JavaScript on the UI. Okay, so here in the style we will give the style to the table. Okay, border 2 pixels solid black. Okay, done. Hmm. Then box shadow 0 0 30 pixel, done. So here you can see that we have created this one, table over font size larger. Okay, so in this way we can create it. So hope guys this is easy to understand. I hope so. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, goodbye.